Hey, friend, you got a second? Can I vent? Okay, so listen. One of the biggest challenges that I am going through right now in business is really having the back end systems set up and together. So, I was operating by myself for a long time. Now I have an assistant. I have someone that my clients talk to immediately. Like the client, she literally is in contact with the clients. So they can call and talk to her. They can't get in touch with me. She handles all the first line stuff. So what I didn't have was a real system in place as to like what goes where, when are these costs escalated to me, when do I need to step in. So like really knowing what to delegate and what to do for yourself. So I didn't have a real operating system. And baby, woo, not to mention that my book of business just started growing so fast. So referrals, leads, people like between ACA and Medicare, once I started doing both, it was just so much at one time that I didn't take the time to sit down and structure things out. So now, like if I'm talking to an ACA client or someone is asking me for life insurance, I just feel like I'm all over the place because I don't have a real operating system set in place since, hiring. And so now I'm like back at the drawing board, like putting pieces together because it's no way that you're going to be able to continue to scale and grow and the foundation is rocky. So I had to go back to the drawing board, start over. There were clients slipping between the cracks, family and friends. I was just like not do the typical way of what I do business. Like, so it's like, nope, this is the way that I have to operate and the way that I'm not going to forget to do things. So I had to just set everything up differently. And that's what I did today. So I'm not done, but I've taken this week to do so. I just need to get that off my chest. It's a lot when you're building a business as an independent insurance broker. It's a lot when you're building a business by yourself at all. So, that's just something I had to get off my chest. But you have to like learn and grow with the business. So as I get more clients and as I want to continue to build that clientele, that book of business, I have to put different measures in place. And that's going to look different from something that when I first started. So just a little business lesson, I guess, that you could take heed from because I learned the hard way with having to put a real operating system in place. Do it early so you don't get stressed out and then have to like stop what you're doing and figure it all out. But better late than never.